What's up, y'all? It is your girl Angelle, and welcome back to Angelle's Life. Y'all, we bought another handbag off Poshmark, but this one is for a specific reason, and it was cheaper, okay? So, if you are interested in know what handbag we got and for what reason, keep on watching. But before we get into the video, I do want to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Welcome back to all my day ones. What's up, y'all? How y'all doing? My name is Angelle. I run a style, travel, and lifestyle channel. So if any of that sounds interesting to you, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Also, click the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Now, let's get into the outfit of the day. All right, y'all. Y'all have already seen the outfit of the day. Some of y'all have not, but we have on our Age smock dress, the Impressions smock dress. I absolutely love this dress. Have those styled with these black sheer stockings, my black Lorraine Takova's boots, my Justin Boots hat, my vintage Coach Soho. Fragrance of the day is Prada's in Paradox. I think I said Prada Intense, but it's Prada Paradox. If I said Prada Intense in my day 5 video, I'm sorry, y'all, but it's Prada Intense. But yeah, that is the outfit of the day. If you saw my day 5 of my 31 days of style challenge video, then you will know I wore this to Angel's winter concert. But yeah, that's that. Let's get into the video. All right, y'all, so before we get into the unboxing of the handbag, we got another one, y'all. So listen. Okay, he's changed out of his clothes. He's chilling. So I reached out to my sister Vita. I was like, we have lucked out and not gotten any dupes. Should I go ahead and splurge and get the whole set to avoid any dupes, or should I try my luck one more time? She was like, try your luck one more time, sis. So we are here again, hoping that we do not have a dupe. Angel almost opened it up, y'all, and I almost had to put the smack down on this candy ass, but
I'm sorry. It was a mistake.
It wasn't a mistake.
I just wanted to see the card.
Yeah, but you gotta wait until I open it. You trying to take it away from the people, take it away from me and the people. We open this together. We do this together. He's about to ruin it.
I'm very sorry.
It's okay. You don't have to be that sorry. It's okay. It's okay. All right, y'all. So mind you, we just want one of the, we want them all. We want them all. So at this point, we just want one of the ones that we ain't got yet.
I think it's gonna be that one.
Which one? I have that one.
That one.
That's what I want. Yeah, I would really like Cerberus. But again, we'll take any of them. So let's go.
Okay, if it's Cerberus,
I'm not gonna look at the card so that we're like unboxing it at the same time. I ain't gonna look at the card, y'all. I think it's Sandman, y'all. I think we might have a dupe of Sandman. Hold on.
Sandman.
No, we don't want Sandman. We don't want Sandisha. We already got her.
Oh, please don't be. Oh?
It's another Sandman. God damn it!
But it's a different one.
All right, y'all. We got our first dupe, which is Sandman. Okay, and when I say dupe, I mean duplicate. So y'all already know what that means. If you are interested in taking Sandman, I have a dupe of it. So go ahead and hit me in the comments and say, Angelle, hand it over. Y'all know how I go. But this is, yeah, we got a dupe. God damn it. I was hoping maybe it was Ghosty. It's not Ghosty. God damn it. We got our first Vita. Shouldn't have listened to your ass. But all right, fine.
I wonder if we could get the Skull Panda.
Wait, the Skull Panda? They are all Skull Pandas. The whole set is Skull Pandas. All right, y'all. Womp womp. Let's move on to the actual unboxing, please. All right, y'all. So we have a handbag. Okay, let's talk about it. So today is, I don't know why I'm like going this way. Today is December the 5th. Look at that. Enough for me to cut my goddamn self. Like, I ain't never opened a box. You know, this box is very different. I don't know what kind of box this is, but it's not like a box where there's like just the line down the middle. I'm perplexed on how the hell I'm supposed to open this box and where this lady got this box from. But anyway, today is December 5th, okay? And on tomorrow, I will be headed. Hold on, y'all. We just gonna have to rip this mofo open, because what is this? And she got all these stickers and stuff this side up. Like, did she put that on there or what? I bought the bag from Poshmark. Okay, she put a little note. She just wrote it. Thank you so much for your purchase. Godspeed on the delivery. May have arrived before Friday. Child, I'm gonna break my nail around this goddamn bag. This box. We just gonna slide it out. Anyway, y'all. As y'all see, I'm happy. Happy bitch, y'all see me struggling. Jesus, don't just look at me. But I bought this bag from Poshmark. It's December 5th. On tomorrow, I'm headed to Fort Worth to see my girl. I'm headed to Fort Worth to see my girl. A lot of people don't know this, but I am a Brandy stan. I am a Brandy stan. Always have been. She's always been one of my favorite artists. So I am going to the Brandy and Monica The Boy Is Mine concert. Like, hold on. Brandy stan. Talk about throwback. Talk about throw it back. Throw it back. These constantly sit at the top of my closet, okay? Brandy was my girl. Brandy was my original Beyonce. She is forever, and she's forever my Cinderella. You heard what I said. My Cinderella is black, and her name is Brandy Norwood, okay? Impossible. And my fairy godmother is Whitney Houston. But these sit at the top of my closet every day. I see these every day. This is my girl. Love Brandy Norwood. But I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I also am a fan of Monica and her music. I'm a fan of Kelly, and you know the couple songs that Kelly got. And then I'm a fan of Maya as well. Was a fan of Maya, but Brandy. But anyway, I'm going to the stadium. So what does that mean? I need a clear bag. So I decided to get a clear bag. What clear bag did we get? We got the Coach Stadium bag. We got the Coach Stadium bag. Where? Oh, okay, I was about to say, girl, where is the strap? We are going to get into the outfit that we are wearing. We're not going to get into the outfit of the day. We're going to get into the outfit in like either the next video or the video after that one. But yeah, y'all, I went ahead because we need a clear bag, y'all. We got to have something to put our little crappies in. So I went ahead and got the Coach Stadium. Now this bag originally was priced at $150 when it first launched. She sold it to me on Poshmark for $200. This bag is sold out. They do have other colors. They have the chalk, the black, and the red and blue that you can probably go in store and get, but those have the silver hardware. And I'm not saying that it's that big of a deal, but this one is multicolored. I feel like it's going to go with more. I like the rainbow strap on it. Like, I went in store because originally I was going to get the chalk one because I'm like, it's chalk, it'll go with a lot. But there was just something about it that I didn't like in comparison to this one. Like, yeah. And like I said, it was new with tags. You pay the upcharge because it's sold out. It is what it is. Now, my bag is right here so we can see what fits in it. Let's do that. Now this one, she said didn't come with a dust bag. Y'all remember the last one she said didn't come with a dust bag either. It looks like this one genuinely didn't come with a dust bag, but y'all know we got that extra large, extra dust bag, as well as she did give this like Coach outlet dust bag, I see. But let's take all the things out. Okay, hold on. And this one comes with two straps, as y'all can see. It comes with the crossbody strap, and then it comes with the strap here. So, On average, y'all know what I carry in my bag. My little like pouch that I keep cash in. My card holder. Little lotion for them little dry ass hands. Little chapstick. Little hand sanitizer. And then I have 2 lip glosses and then a lip liner. And it all fits in there with no problem. Now, can the whole world see what's in there? They sure can. So we're going to have to get some better organization to this, because I can't have people looking at me and like, girl, why her bag ain't got no organization? Like, this is so invasive. My God. So, yeah, you know, you can see right on up in there, but this is going to be my concert bag, okay? Like I said, we're going to see the girls this on tomorrow. So any of y'all that's gonna be at the Boy Is Mine concert tomorrow in Fort Worth, what is that, at the Dickies Arena, if you see your girl, holla. If you see me, say hey. Don't just be staying. Don't act like you don't know me. You know me. You know me, girl. Okay. But I want to go to the Doja Cat concert next year. You know, there's just a couple, you know, we go to concerts occasionally. And guess what? We have a bag to boot. Do I plan on, leave those scissors. Do I plan on buying another one? Hell no. No, we only need one. And that's why I got the one with all the colors in them. Because they just gon', listen, this gon' match everything right here. And if it don't match, then hell, who cares? The bag is clear. But y'all, that's it. That's it. Yeah, that's it. That's all I got for y'all. We gonna pop the tags on this. Pop them tags. Pop like Carly Red. Speaking of, y'all, the streets has been a mess. Huh? Them celebrities and their lives is just, some of them is just go, oh, that's what, hold on, booty. What? My AirPods too. And then we got a little travel scent. That's LV. That'll fit in there too. See, y'all see all the run. But we definitely got to get this like organized, because this look tacky. Now, if y'all see me tomorrow and my bag look like this, hush your mouth. Don't call me tacky. Don't say, Angelle, why you got that stuff on? Didn't you just say that was tacky? That means I must have tried and I couldn't figure it out. Cut me some slack. I only had 24 hours. But y'all, that's it. That's all I got for y'all. Don't got no more comments down below. Let me know. Are we disappointed that we gotta dupe? I'm very disappointed that we gotta dupe. Y'all, I'm sad. Ooh, sad face. Like, cause how much more money am I gonna waste? At this point, I just have to buy the whole collection. We're gonna have to, you know, chalk it up, buy the whole collection. I'm gonna have 3 Sandishas. But we're gonna buy the whole collection just because I can't risk getting any more dupes. We tried our luck until the luck ran out, and it seems like the luck has run out. So we're just gonna buy the whole collection at this point. I'm still probably gonna bring them to y'all one by one.
Hey guys, the camera looking at me.
Cause you're in it, Angel.
My bad.
But we're still gonna probably unbox them one by one, even once I do get the whole collection. But yeah, that's where we kind of ain't got no choice at this point. We can't waste no of our $40. So yeah, but y'all, comment down below. Let me know, do you have a stadium bag? If so, what stadium bag do you have? Are you disappointed that we got another Sandisha? Are you happy because you want me to hand it over? Let me know. But again, I love y'all so much. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Angelle's Life and on TikTok at 1Angelle's Life. Subscribe to the channel and like this video as well. Say peace. Gotta go. Peace. Yeah, that's good. You be watching mommy videos? Or you just be hearing me say it?
I be watching your videos.
Stop lying. You just that's like a man, just a lot of your face. Yeah, just
not true. I watch them in my mind.
In your mind?
My mom's confused right now.
Bye.